guys, it is April 23rd, 2021. So here I got a call from a lady. She's got an outside faucet she can't get the hose off of. I worked with this lady before. She's got a bunch of old stuff. This is a lady that I had to go replace the thermostats and batteries in her thermostats a while back. She's got an old oil-fired boiler with a power renter on it. I've been there a bunch of times. But anyway, I've changed it. I think I changed the faucet in the front of the house. And she said she can't get the hose off the one in the back. So I might, if I can't get the hose off, I might have to just cut it out and put a whole new unit in it. I'll have to see. I might attempt trying to get the hose off. We'll see. That's the story. She wants the outside faucet working. She said she can't get it off, so she's gonna get a new hose. I'm gonna be out today, so. Wow. Let me see if I can make a cut on there with a grinder. There's a seals on the bottom anyway, so I should be able to make a cut. Got seals on the bottom anyway, so it don't matter. She's gonna get a new hose, she said. There you go. Nothing wrong with that. Even if I did hit that, it seals on the bottom anyway, but I didn't even hit it, didn't even notch it. White metal. You can see it's white metal, that's why. Cheap. Just gonna get a new hose anyway.